Have you ever wondered why time feels different depending on where you are, or how space can feel both endless and confining at the same time? Time and space are concepts we live with every day, yet we rarely stop to truly understand them. They shape our experiences, our memories, and even our dreams. Imagine standing on a quiet hill at sunset. The wind brushes your face, the horizon stretches endlessly, and for a moment you feel completely aware of every passing second. That feeling, this awareness, is your personal experience of time. But what if someone else is watching the same sunset from a different hill, hundreds of miles away? To them, the same moment exists, yet their perception of it is unique. This is one of the mysteries of time. It is both universal and deeply personal. Philosophers have long debated whether time is something that flows independently, like a river, or whether it is a measurement of change in the world around us. Some argue that time does not exist at all. It is merely a construct, a way for humans to make sense of the sequence of events. Imagine if the past, present, and future all existed simultaneously, but our minds are only capable of experiencing them one moment at a time. What would that mean for our choices, for our regrets, for our dreams? In space is no less mysterious. We often think of it as empty, as the void between objects, yet space is full of possibilities. Every star, every planet, every speck of dust occupies its own place in a vast cosmic web. And even though we feel bound by walls, roads, and borders in our daily lives, in the grand universe, space is infinite, ever expanding, and full of hidden paths we have yet to discover. Some thinkers suggest that space is not a passive backdrop for life, but an active participant, shaping the way we move, think, and exist. The relationship between time and space is equally fascinating. Einstein's theory of relativity taught us that they are intertwined, forming a four-dimensional fabric called spacetime. Speed, gravity, and mass all affect how time passes and how space curves. A clock on a spaceship moving near the speed of light would tick slower than a clock on Earth. A planet with strong gravity bends space, altering the path of light and matter. Suddenly, time is not a fixed river, and space is not just empty distance. They are dynamic, living elements of the universe. On a personal level, we can see reflections of this philosophy in everyday life. Moments of joy seem to pass in an instant, while moments of suffering stretch endlessly. Memories make the past feel close, while anticipation makes the future feel far away. Our minds compress and expand time, and our perception of space changes with focus, attention, and imagination. Perhaps the most profound lesson in the philosophy of time and space is humility. We are fleeting creatures, tiny in comparison to the cosmic expanse, yet in the brief moments we exist, we can observe, reflect, and wonder. Our awareness itself is a bridge between the infinite universe and our finite lives, a reminder that time and space are not just scientific concepts, but deeply human experiences. So, the next time you feel rushed, or lost, or trapped in a corner of your world, take a moment to pause. Look at the sky, feel the ground beneath you, and remember, time is yours to experience, and space is yours to explore. Even in the smallest moments, you are part of the vast, mysterious fabric of the universe.